I just came to the studio to have a mental breakdown. I just saw him there, lifeless, but I guess he's still breathing.
I don't know, ever since he got his hands on the PICO VR and discovered VR chat, he's never taken it off.
When can I use the studio?
What are we gonna do about this?
Should we call an ambulance? Can we carry him and put him outside so that I can shoot?
It's okay, guys. I'm gonna go in and get him, I guess.
Well, what if you end up like him?
I mean, it's either that or, we never get the couch anymore. Okay, whoa, okay. I'm in VR chat, right? Okay, welcome to VR chat. Mic. I'm gonna put my mic on mute for a while. Oh, so they have an option for first person. They also have a hollow pod. Let's do that. Because I'm scared I'm gonna get nauseous. Oh, that's how you walk around. That's interesting. Oh, what? I can choose other avatars? Oh, wow, okay. Oh, what the heck am I? Oh, I look cool. I have a sword. Can I? No. Do you see me? How do I find Umar? Okay. Let's probably start entering a world, I guess. It's pretty empty. Oh, it's pretty nice world though. That looks really cool. Okay, pretty obvious that Umar is not here. Let's go to another world then. Let's see, worlds. Let's look for worlds. Oh, I can drop a portal here so my other friends can join me. That makes a lot of sense. Oh, you can draw here? Oh, that's pretty cool. Where are you? It's you! You need to stop.
Yo, so many people here. Do you see that?
You! He's running away again. Hey, come back. Umar, come back. Hold on. Umar, hold on.
And I'll just walk straight through this. Love to see it.
Oh my god, he's gone. What is this? Midnight rooftop. Oh, people actually perform here? No way. People actually perform here. That's crazy. Damn, I didn't know VR chat had all of these things. Wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, I still gotta go find Umar though. You need to stop.
Oh, hey Darren.
I swear to God, I will kill you if you go to another world.
Relax. I wanted to show you the VR chat for such a long time, and this is so much fun. I'm actually having a good time. What are you doing here, by the way?
I'm trying to look for you. We need to go. We need to go out, okay?
Why?
Okay?
Look around, dude. There's so much stuff to do.
Yeah, but you've been in the world for 2 days. Do you know you've been playing this game for 2 days? No, come back here. I will stab you. I swear to God. Oh my God.
Dude, you actually won't believe. There's like so many worlds. I was like in like 20 different worlds right now. So many things. There's horror. There's themes for like adventure. There's themes for like theme parks. Okay, theme parks. Let's actually go to the theme park.
You're telling me there's a theme park in this game?
There's a theme park in the game.
Oh my God.
We can hang out at a theme park.
Oh my God. This is actually pretty cool.
Look at this, man. It's like a freaking...
Whoa, you are riding it.
Look at it. I'm riding it. Let's go.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Listen, can you tell me why are you here for 2 days?
That doesn't seem right, but okay. So how this works is you can actually generate your own worlds. You can create your own worlds if you know how to do it. So someone created this world and we're just playing in it, which is insane, right? How sick is that? Like, look at that. Made Ferris wheels, you made a roller coaster. Amazing, right? But the cool thing is you can create your own. You can create your own character. Like you're using this tall ass guy. You're very tall, by the way. I don't like that. But I'm this tiny character, but I can make my own character if I want to. How sick is that?
That's actually pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie, yeah.
So what I'm saying is, why do we not live in this world more? You know what I mean? Like, why not stay in this world instead of staying...
Look, it's great, right? Okay, you can make worlds, you can make your own character, you can meet so many different types of people from all around the world. But do you not want physical contact?
Who needs physical contact when I can slap you in the face? Slap you in the face. Okay, I'm heading out. Bye.
Oh my God, that was... Okay, guys. Insane. You cannot believe what I saw.
Get
I saw
out, I know you should now.
Honestly, the real world is so boring, man.
Yeah, but you know, you have friends, you have family.
Yeah, who needs that, man? I had like roller coasters. There were nights I was fighting. I was on a rooftop. Like all of that happened in the same time. That's actually insane.
I mean, that is actually pretty
It's actually
cool.
pretty sick.
And it was quite cool that we got to meet like so many different types of people around
the world, yeah. Yeah, so you can hang out with whoever and you can play games with them in VR chat. I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, I was
That's
actually
really
quite
sick.
surprised by that also.
That's
yeah,
really sick. And the fact that it's running straight off of this.
That's
No PC,
that's the most crazy
right?
part.
Charging it with my laptop charger, my phone charger.
Yeah.
And I would say, honestly speaking, this has been the most comfortable headset I've used.
I'm not gonna lie, I felt the same way too.
Yeah, right? I think I'm actually gonna buy this.
Well, if you do want to, you can head over to Pico's flagship shops or their official Shopee and Lazada.
Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm gonna get it on Lazada. Sick.
Can buy for me also.
You want one as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude, we can hang out in there.